I'm going to be making an animal food serving tray, food bowl, what do you call it? And I say animal, I've got a dog, but if I served up Mishka's food in that, it should give me the side eye. So maybe a very small dog or cat maybe. So that's what I'll be doing today. And Teexpert very kindly sent me out their deep pour resin to try. This is a 2-to-1 resin by ratio, and it does come with some stirry sticks, a very handy stirrer with Teexpert on there, pair of gloves, don't know if there's 1 or 2 in there, probably 1, and some instructions. So like I said, it's a 2-to-1 ratio. So it's got a 60 to 80 minute work time. You can pour it to a depth of 4 inches per layer. Demold time 24 hours, but cure time 48 to 72 hours. And it's got a easy measuring thing here to tell you how to measure. So to measure a 2-to-1 ratio by volume, use a measuring cup or mixing container with clear markings. Do not measure by weight on a scale, as the resin and hardener have different densities. First, pour the desired amount of hardener. So you want to be pouring your part B first, and then in the same measuring cup, pour twice the amount of your resin. So that's a handy little tip to have in there, just as a little reminder. So I'm just going to go and get some resin mixed up, and then we can start pouring. I've mixed up my resin, and I'm going to add to that some of the Let's Resin Azure Blue, because my plan for this is going to be like a beachy water, underwater theme. I think I need a bit more than that in. Let's put 1 more in. Oh, that was 2. Right, let's just mix this up and see how it's looking. So while I'm just mixing in this, I just want to say a massive thank you to all my subscribers. Last week I hit the 5k subscribers, and totally overwhelmed with all the love and support that you've all shown me. So I thought I'd do a little giveaway, and it's going to be open to everyone. And instead of me asking other companies to donate things to give away for you, I thought I'll just do something myself. So to make it so everyone can enter, I thought I'd do a £50 Amazon gift voucher. So I'll let you know a bit more of the details later on, how to enter. So let's see how that's looking. Right, let's pour some out, and we can get an idea of how blue it's going to look. Right, I think that's looking a bit, is it? Shall we put 1 more drop in maybe? Oh, I don't know. Let's just pour it all in and see. I think it'll be all right actually, because once you start getting a bit deeper, then the colour gets deeper as well. So I think that might be all right actually. Not too worried about any bubbles, because it's deep pour. It'll have that much longer for those bubbles to release. So I'll be happy if that takes it just to the top of those dish holder things there. So I think that's about right, to be honest. Just get that last little bit. Oh, that's not been mixed in. Let's just give that a little swirl around. There we go. Right, so I'm just going to give that a quick torch. Let's just get that off of there. Just torch those bubbles on the top. And I think I also want to just go around the outside rim because there's some bubbles clinging onto the side there. Pesky little things. So let's get them away. Right. So I think that's looking okay now. I'm still not sure if I've put enough blue in. What do you think? Maybe I need to add some more. Let's put one drop in and then give that a swish around. There. Doesn't matter if it's a bit, if it stays like that, so it's sort of, what do you call it? It's got those bits in it. I don't mind that. So that'll be okay. Right, okay, so we'll leave this to cure and then I'll see you back for the next bit. This is cured up enough now for the next layer. So I've mixed up some of the Teexpert 1:1 epoxy resin. So that's that one. And I've also got some shells to put in and some diddy little starfish there. And I've also got the pack of starfish from Create and Bloom. So I think I'll have one of those out. Let's just pop that to one side for a minute. And those little diddy ones. I think there's a couple of broken ones in there. Never mind. Right, so I'm just going to put a thin layer just over the top, just to secure some of these shells and bits in. While I'm doing this, I'll go through the giveaway competition. So while I'm adding the shells and the starfish, I'll go through the giveaway. So my question to you is, what type of accommodation do I live in? So you need to put your answers in the comment section of the video, not in the live chat if you're in the Premiere, just in the comment section. Put your answer in there. So it's free to enter and it will close at 7 p.m. on Saturday the 18th, and I'll randomly pick the winner in my video on the 20th of September. And the winner needs to like and comment on this video and needs to be subscribed to my channel. If the winner isn't subscribed, then I will select a new winner. And the winner will need to contact me by email, and I'll put my email address in the description box. And you'd need to email me by September the 30th. So I think that's all the information you need. So get your thinking caps on and let me know in the comments your answers. Right, so I think I'll put a couple more of the little diddy starfish in. Let's put one over there. And maybe this one's got some little babies. So let's put a couple more round by there. That one's broken. I'm never sure which way up to put these. Do they go that way or that way? Let's do a mixture. Let's put that one down that way. Right, I think we need some more shells. So a few more down in here. I don't think I need to worry about what way up they're landing. Just want a little selection going on before I put the crushed oyster down. So I think we'll put a few more down over here. That's a pretty one. Let's put that one down. As long as that's not too tall. No, that one's okay. Let's have a look. What else have we got that's nice? It's a pretty one. Some more in here. So while I'm just faffing with this last little bit, I'll just put you on a quick fast forward, I think. Right, okay, I think that's enough of those bits. So we're just going to let this cure now, and then I'll see you back for the next layer. This is all cured now, and I've mixed up some more resin. So I'm going to be adding some oyster shell grit now. I'm going to start off by just pouring some resin into the mould. Get a thin layer of that in there to start with. That'll be enough, I think. And then I'm going to add the oyster grit in. So just sprinkling that all over. Putting that in between all those shells. Tap that down. Put some more on that side. Squish it all around. A bit more this end. Right, and then I'm going to add some more resin on top of that. Get those gritty pieces to all merge in with the resin. I think I need some more. And then just pat that all down. A little bit more, I think. Oops. Get that down there. Need some more down this end. I'm going to add some more down in there. I think we're nearly there. Bit there and down in there. Trying to keep that base as flat as possible. And just make sure they're all covered in resin. Right, I think we're there. Trying a little bit more down there. A bit more. And you could just mix this straight into the resin and make it like a paste. But I wasn't sure how much resin it would take, so I thought I'd list this way. If I had any leftover resin, then I could use it in something else instead of just having resin full of shell grit. Right, I think we're good. That's all patted down flat. Just that little bit there in the middle there. Let's squish that bit over. Big lumpy bit there. Put that down there. Right, okay, so I'm just going to leave this to cure now, and then I'll see you back for demold. This is all cured up now, so let's pop this out and see how it's looking. It's heavy. Oh, let's get these middle sections out. Oh, pop my mould back in the right way. There we go. Right, it's going to need some trimming around the outside. I've got a few sharp bits there, so I'll just go round with my deburring tool. Get those off first. Just work my way round the edge there. Don't want to get any little cut fingies. Right, that would do, I think. Yes, that's much better. Right, let's have a look. Oh, pretty. Ah, yeah, I like that. God, it is heavy. My husky wouldn't pick that and throw it around the room like she does with her other bowls. Right, where's my little dishes? Let's put those in. See how it looks with the dishes. Ah, yeah, I like that. What does it look like from the side? Yes, very nice. So I think just to finish it off, let's flip it over. And I've got these little rubber feet things. So I think I'll put some of those on the bottom just to protect any surface that it goes on, any flooring. Right. Is 4 enough? Let's see. Yeah, that's better. Lovely. So, don't forget the competition and put your answers in the comments. And thank you all again so much for your love, support, your likes, your comments. It means the absolute world to me, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you ever so much. So, thank you for watching my video today, and stay tuned for the pictures at the end. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.